Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Every now and then, a stock just explodes onto the scene, capturing everyone's attention with incredible gains. Well, get ready, because today we're talking about BitMine Immersion Technologies, or BMNR. And trust me, you're gonna want to hear this story. BMNR stock has been on an absolute tear, and it's all thanks to the wild world of crypto, specifically Ethereum. This isn't just a small bump. BMNR shares have surged more than 60% overall recently, with incredible daily jumps, including over 10% in early trading and a massive 25% gain in a single session. We're talking about a stock that's seen its value climb an eye-popping 167% in just the past month. This kind of momentum is hard to ignore, and it's got Wall Street buzzing. So, what's driving this incredible rally? It all comes down to Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency. Ethereum just hit its highest price in nearly 4 years, reaching about $4,300. And for the first time this year, it crossed the $4,000 mark. As I'm speaking, it's trading around $4,244. This massive surge in Ethereum's price has directly fueled BMNR's incredible gains. But why is BMNR so tied to Ethereum? Here's the kicker. BitMine Immersion Technologies has strategically positioned itself as the world's largest corporate holder of Ethereum. That's right, they've been buying up ETH tokens at an incredible pace. Just imagine this. As of August 10th, BitMine announced it holds a staggering 1.15 million Ethereum tokens, valued at a jaw-dropping nearly $5 billion. And here's the crazy part. They increased their Ethereum holdings by a massive $2 billion in just one single week, jumping from about $2.9 billion to that nearly $5 billion figure. They started their Ethereum Treasury strategy on June 30th. In just over 30 days, they managed to acquire about $3 billion worth of Ethereum, buying each coin at an average price of around $3,492. This strategic timing paid off big time. When Ethereum's price soared past $4,000, BitMine's holdings generated over $420 million in unrealized gains. That's a paper profit of approximately $508 for every single Ethereum coin they bought. Talk about being in the right place at the right time. Now, you might be wondering, who's backing this bold move? Well, BitMine's aggressive Ethereum strategy has caught the eye of some serious players. They're supported by prominent institutional investors, including Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, Founders Fund, Bill Miller III, and several others. When big names like these show interest, it adds a whole new layer of credibility and potential to the stock. It suggests these major fund managers have done their homework and see significant potential in BitMine's approach to digital assets. BitMine isn't just accumulating crypto. They're making moves to reward shareholders and provide future flexibility. They've announced a huge $1 billion share repurchase program. This kind of buyback signals strong confidence from the company's management in the stock's future performance. Plus, they've filed a $1.8 billion shelf registration, which is basically a way for them to raise capital quickly in the future if new market opportunities pop up. This gives them a lot of financial wiggle room. And get this, BitMine is becoming a major player in the stock market beyond just crypto. It's now the 25th most liquid U.S. stock, with an average daily trading volume of over $2 billion. To put that in perspective, it sits right between retail giant Costco and financial powerhouse JP Morgan in terms of trading activity. That level of liquidity is fantastic for investors because it means it's easier to buy and sell shares without big price swings. When we look at other companies holding significant amounts of crypto, BitMine has rapidly become the third largest crypto treasury globally. They're right behind MicroStrategy and Mara Blockchain, which are well known in the crypto space. But what truly sets BitMine apart is the speed at which they've built their treasury. Most companies took years to accumulate their current digital asset holdings, while BitMine did it in a matter of weeks. This lightning speed, as their chairman Thomas Lee put it, is truly remarkable. The surge in BitMine isn't happening in a vacuum. The entire crypto market is experiencing a recovery. Bitcoin has also been eyeing new record highs, even hitting an intraday high of over $122,000 recently. And it's still up over 2% in the past 24 hours. This rising tide is lifting many crypto-linked boats. Companies like MicroStrategy, a major Bitcoin holder, and Bitcoin miners like Riot Platforms and Mara Holdings have all seen their stocks climb. Even major altcoins like Cardano, XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin have followed Ethereum's lead, seeing their prices tick up. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The weekend surge in Bitcoin may have left a pricing gap in Bitcoin futures contracts, which historically tends to get filled quickly as the price moves back. This is something traders are watching closely. The crypto market recovery also led to about $320 million in forced sales of leveraged positions, with the majority, around $210 million, coming from traders who bet prices would fall. Bitcoin saw the largest amount of these forced sales, about $118 million, followed by Ethereum with about $81 million. Traders are also keenly eyeing upcoming inflation data for clues on where the market might head next. So, what's next for BitMine? Their goal is ambitious. They aim to acquire a staggering 5% of all Ethereum in existence. To achieve this, they'll need to purchase millions more ETH coins over time. This truly positions them as a pure-play way to get Ethereum exposure in the traditional stock market. Now, it's important to remember, while the potential upside is huge, there are risks. Analysts are cautious, noting that much of BMNR's recent gains are fueled by speculative trading, not necessarily operational improvements. This makes it a high-risk, high-reward proposition, tied directly to Ethereum's price volatility and the ever-changing regulatory landscape for crypto. The company is still unprofitable, and its stock trades at a premium compared to many other technology companies. There's also the risk of dilution from their ongoing capital raises. Investors should definitely be aware of these factors. What's fascinating is the shift we're seeing in the market. Traders are actively moving their money. Historically, MicroStrategy, or MSTR, has been the go-to stock for Bitcoin exposure. But as capital rotates towards Ethereum, MSTR has struggled to keep up. BMNR, on the other hand, acts as a direct link to Ethereum's price performance, making it a fast-moving, high-upside play during an Ethereum bull cycle. This shows a growing preference for Ethereum's potential for growth over Bitcoin's store of value story. Investors are essentially voting with their money, and right now, they're choosing Ethereum, with BMNR as the clearest public stock for that bet. The success of BitMine's Ethereum strategy will be crucial in determining whether its current stock valuation is justified. Its rapid transformation has certainly brought it into the spotlight for anyone interested in digital asset investments. So, there you have it, the incredible rise of BitMine Immersion Technologies fueled by their audacious bet on Ethereum. This is definitely a stock to keep on your radar as the crypto market continues to evolve. If you found this breakdown helpful and insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more market updates, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.